I'm going to get that. See how it would fit. Let's get it.
Get the tip and yeah, clean it. Clean the end of it, take it, make sure the end. Remember how I said every other so often to check it. When you're doing overhead, it comes worse because you know it drips down. So you have to check it more. Yeah, you got to check it more frequently. Yeah, yeah, you got to do it more when you're overhead because it drips down faster. But that's all it was. That's all it was.
Well, I need to hold it at like an angle.
Nah, it's still gonna be pretty much the.
Right now, I got it like this, and I have to, in order for me to be straight with it, I have to come back.
Yeah, and that's good.
To me.
And that's good. And that's good.
When I was going that way,
you couldn't see it right.
No, and then it be
kind of get off your line. Okay, yeah, you're doing it right. You're doing it right.
I changed it and started.
But I can also I cut the wire speed up too, because sometimes your wire speed can be down a little bit, and that can make it. When the wire speed is a little higher, the wire sticks in a little stronger. So I cut it up a little bit, so it was down just a hair. Look like somebody just I hope she alright. The ambulance just pulled up over there, but they come over there. Yeah, man. I hope everything alright, man. I hate to see stuff like that. So family, she has welded in 3 positions in 3 days. Great work. We still got a few more days to work on some things, but she's able to work on the positions that we actually planned on focusing on, which is flat, vertical down, and overhead. And then we're going to be working on some T-joint, lap joints, and butt joints after we get this position. But she's fine-tuning in a weld. She got the position down. As you see, she got nice posture. Like, she really getting it, man. So it makes me proud to know that she done took it to this level. You know what I mean? So sometimes you can start in a situation where you're dead, so to speak. You know, just kind of like the scripture saying, in 3 days you've written, and you can put in the work where in 3 days you can actually be a completely different person. And I think she has put in that work, man, because now she's a welder. Like, I can say she's a welder now. Now she's just fine-tuning what she's doing. So it's just amazing to see the progress. It's really going good, family. Let's go in. Let's fine tune. Let's go in here and see what she's talking about, because she's stunting on.
You know, I know it's a little tricky, but
she getting it, man. She getting it.
My tie-ins is a little bit better.
Yeah, you getting it. You getting it. Like I say, when the overhead thing is all about, you know, getting in your position and just understanding that you're kind of getting out the way of the sparks.
I'm trying to just get to a position where I can be comfortable holding it, and then where I can come in a straight line. Yeah. You're doing right. That's what I'm trying to work on, keep it straight.
You got it. Practice make perfect. You just in that stage now where you got to just stay consistent. So that's what, you know, it's good to just stay at it, you know.
Yeah.
I do my thing. I'm stepping out the way now, fam. I got to let her do her thing now. It's all on her. She in the drive. She's driving now. I'm just on the sideline looking out the window, checking out all the pretty things that's going around. I'm sightseeing.
It's better too when I hold it at like a little bit of an angle for that way
coming back. Okay. Because see, that's certain things that you recognize as you weld. That's why I said as you weld, you're going to fine tune it. Kind of like a handwriting. So if you are looking for some private welding classes, I'm in McGee, Arkansas, Southeast Arkansas. You can travel in. My business line is 870-501-1974. That's 870-501-1974. The website is HogOnWelding.com. That's HogOnWelding.com. My email is HogOnWelding@gmail.com. And you can follow me on all social sites. It's HogOn Welding, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Hit me up on HogOn Welding and see our progress. Family, check us out. But we like to lead by example. Actions always speak louder than words. So it's good to show that, you know, a person can start one way and they can actually develop some skills to take them to another level. So her goal is to go get some employment after this and start building her career and her independence. And it's just amazing that I'm able to help her transcend to that level. But she got the passion and she's hungry. So I just gave her some information and got her started, and she's taking it to the next level. So it's a blessing to watch. We worked on some tape measures today. Getting it down. Because you got to learn how to read the tape, family, to be a fabricator. And to actually start building products or your own, you have to understand lengths and width and square and plumb. You got to start from somewhere, though. Looks like they just pulled her out and they're in. God bless. I hope everything okay. We are out here live in McGee, Arkansas. Getting it in, getting it in, getting it in. We are teaching MIG welding, short transfer. This is what we're teaching. And the job she's probably going to be going to get, they're going to be doing this. And as you see, it's just more amperage, a bigger rod diameter size. And, you know, you can have more of a greater stick out. And it's different gas. It can be the same. Normally we use 70, 75, 25 is what I'm using, or 100%. We're getting the hog on, fam. Y'all be blessed.